I'm interested in getting started in Amazon KDP. Can I actually make money from it as a beginner?
Absolutely. Many beginners have found success on Amazon KDP. It helps if you write about something you're passionate about and put in effort to promote your book. It may take some time, but with persistence and learning from feedback, you can definitely make money.
Okay, what about from low content books like colouring books and word searches and all that kind of stuff?
Low content books like colouring books and word searches can also be profitable. They have lower barriers to entry because they don't require as much writing. The key is to create something unique and appealing to your target audience. If you can stand out and market your books well, you can generate a steady income from them.
Thank you.
You've got to love AI, haven't you? Now, I use that particular ChatGPT function, that conversational function, quite a lot, especially when I'm out walking. So I'll have it on my phone and I'll have my headphones in and I can literally have a conversation with ChatGPT as I'm going along, walking the dog, and I'm brainstorming. Now that's powerful stuff. It's a great way to get the most out of a situation where you're not at your desk. If you're like me, kind of super workaholic, then when you're out in the fresh air, you can still be developing and increasing your chances of making money online. Now I've been looking into Amazon KDP more recently, and I actually love the idea of publishing a few what they call low content books. So low content, you've got low, medium and high content. High content is like a proper book, you know, the sort of book that you would go and read on the beach when you're on holiday, drinking a pina colada in your budgie smugglers. And then you've got the medium content. I think medium content would probably include things like word searches and puzzles and colouring pages and stuff like that. And then you've got low content, which is literally a blank book. They're like journals and stuff, but there's a lot of competition for the journals and things like that. So if you were to think that you could just sell a journal because of the cover, you might struggle to make some money with that. But it appears, certainly speaking to people that I know that do this, that you can actually get quite some success with things like colouring books and word searches and puzzles and stuff like that. And of course we've got AI to make things easier. Now you do have to be careful with AI because you don't want to be using AI completely to create your books, your Kindle books and your puzzles and stuff like that. Now I think how much money you can make with Amazon KDP, a lot of that comes down to the individual, just the same as like the more broader make money online niche. So I teach people how to make money online, and by the way, I'm Trevor, and if you're new to this channel, then if you're one of those sometimes 80% of unsubscribes who regularly watch my videos, then maybe I could ask you a little favor. Just help me to help you by giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. Maybe hit the notification bell so that you know next time I upload a video. So I teach people how to make money online. I do that via this channel, and I also do that via courses that I create that teach people how to do that. And I've been doing that now since 2017 when I went full time. I was completely broke back then, and I've managed to turn my life around thanks to the whole make money online industry. And I was determined that if I found a way that worked, I would teach as many people as possible to do the same, which is what I do now. But of all the people that I've ever had come through and take my training, come into my training programs, the big problem is that so many people don't take action. If they did what I taught, they would make money. End of. All right. And I've said this time and time again. If they did what I taught in my courses, like Commissionable, for example, they would make money. That's it. Simple. You can't not make money because you're just doing what I do, and I literally lay it all out for you. So that means there are some people who will make money and some people who won't make money. And I think it's going to be the same for Amazon KDP, to be honest with you. There will be people who make money and people who don't make money. More importantly though, is that you do need to know what you're doing. And so the best thing you can do is to take some training on that, which is absolutely what I do. You know, anything I want to learn, I'll go and find someone else who's getting the results that I want and then take their training so that I can get myself to their level. That is how you fast track out of all the mistakes, all the trial and error, all the wasted weeks and months and thousands of dollars on different courses. Find someone that's got the results that you want and then do what they did. All right, that's pretty simple. So when it comes to being successful with Amazon KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing, by the way. It basically means that what you do is you create something like a coloring book, a word search, a puzzle book, for example. You upload it to Amazon KDP, and then Amazon will sell that. And if they're selling it as a paper book, they will print on demand and ship it, and they'll give you a percentage of the profit out of that. So it won't cost you anything. It's free. It won't cost you anything. It doesn't matter how many books you upload. It's free. That's a massive, massive advantage. And you take the profit. You take your cut of the profit. All right. So there's no extra cost for you at all, and that is what is so attractive about this. But you've got to find the right kinds of books. You've got to find the right way to create them, upload them, do the covers, etc. And you've got to know the right tools to use to see if the idea that you've got can actually make any money. Because just like everything, if you create something that has no demand, then there's no chance of you making money from it. If you create something that has a load of people that want it, a load of people searching for it, but not a lot of people providing it, then you have rung the bell. Ding ding. All right, that's really what you want, but you need to know how to do that. I'm going to go over to my PC now and show you a program that's just been released that can not only help you to do that, but will show you the right tools and the right strategies, the right mindsets, everything that you need to go from complete beginner with Amazon KDP to success. Also, I'm going to give you an insane bonus bundle worth thousands of dollars, real world dollars, all right, if you pick this up through my link, which is below in the description. So let's go ahead and take a look now.
So the training program is called AMZ Money Machine, and here you can see on the left all of the different modules that we've got in here. Now, to say straight off, this is less than $17 to get this entire membership. So it's incredible value, and if you're looking to get into the Amazon KDP arena and start making some money online using that, then this is a great place to start, because you can come in here and you can learn absolutely everything you need to know. So on the side here, why are you here? What to expect? That's obviously an introduction to the training, and then it goes through the types of books. So you've got the medium content and the low content, etc., that I was talking about just a little while ago. Creation options here, so it goes through all the different options that you can outsource, obviously, and you can do it yourself, etc. You can use tools and AI, and everything is covered there in quite some detail. Then you've got the essential research on how to win. So you're also going to get with this a list of 200 low and medium content ideas. You get that free of charge, so that's going to help you to get some ideas. Then we come into a recap to go through everything that's been covered so far. And then it's onto the important part, which, well, I think is the important part, and that's the creation. So you've got the creation of coloring pages, the creation of word searches, and the creation of crosswords. And those three there are going to cover everything that you need to know when it comes to making money with Amazon KDP. We've also got using ChatGPT to brainstorm and assist you. And then we've got how to create your book. You've got a bulk creation hack, correct cover creation, pre-upload checks and questions, success tips, 2 key factors, and then how to upload and sell on Amazon and how to get more sales. Then a what you should have done recap, how to ramp it up, 5 mistakes to avoid, expectations, and multiple streams of income. So once you've gone through that lot, you'll have all the information that you need, and you'll know all the tools, all the tricks, all the hacks, and everything else to fast track that to get you to your success. I did say that I'm going to give you some massive bonuses if you pick this up through my link. So let me show you what you're going to get. So if you pick up AMZ Money Machine through my link, then I've spoken to the vendor and I've got the exclusive bonus to give you, which is Email Millionaire, Tube Cash AI, and AI high ticket commissions, plus all of their upgrades. Now each of these with the upgrades is worth about $1,000, $1,100 each. So in total, you're getting well over $3,000 worth of bonuses for free when you pick up the AMZ Money Machine, which at the point of recording is less than $17, which is just crazy. So Email Millionaire teaches you how to build a list to make money online. It comes with a free autoresponder, and you get all the training that you need to be able to scale that up to make a lot of money. Tube Cash AI will teach you how to make money from YouTube using viral videos, and they even provide you with the videos as well. And then AI high ticket commissions shows you and gives you everything you need to be able to achieve high ticket commissions, so making sales that bank you $500 to $1,000 per sale. So you're going to get Email Millionaire, Tube Cash AI, and AI high ticket commissions, plus all of their upgrades, totaling well over $3,000 worth of bonuses when you buy through my link. Now, in order to check that you are buying through my link, you just need to come through to the sales page, which is going to look like this. Click on the buy button, and then when you get through to the checkout cart, down the bottom here, if you just hover over this little round person icon, you'll see that it says Ref 31584 Trevor C. That's me, I'm Trevor, and that's next to the words Powered by Warrior Plus. If you see that, you are cookied to me and you will get those bonuses. So make sure you see that. If you see anything else, you are not cookied to me. So either clear your cookies or go back through my link and check it again, but double check that you see Ref 31584 Trevor C to make sure that you're cookied to me and you get those bonuses.
So there you go. As you can see, if you want to get started with Amazon KDP, that's the way to go. On the screen now is another video that I'd like to encourage you to take a look at if you want to learn how to make more money online. And I'll see you soon. All the best.